How to make banana shake? Certainly. Here's a simple and delicious recipe for making a banana shake. Banana shake recipe. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup milk. You can use regular milk, almond milk, soy milk, or any milk of your choice. 2 tablespoons honey or sugar. Adjust to your preferred sweetness. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Ice cubes, optional, if you want a colder and thicker shake. Instructions. 1. Peel the bananas and cut them into chunks for easier blending. 2. In a blender, add the banana chunks, milk, honey or sugar, and vanilla extract, if using. 3. If you want a colder and thicker shake, you can add a few ice cubes to the blender as well. 4. Blend all the ingredients until you get a smooth and creamy mixture. 4. If the shake is too thick, you can add more milk to adjust the consistency. 5. Taste the shake and add more honey or sugar if needed, depending on your sweetness preference. 6. Pour the banana shake into glasses and serve immediately. You can also customize the banana shake by adding other ingredients like a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a tablespoon of peanut butter, a dash of cinnamon, or a handful of berries, depending on your taste preferences. Enjoy your refreshing and creamy banana shake.